Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a stock market plan with Merrill Lynch, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting clear financial goals. Identify your investment time frame. Consider your risk tolerance and investment style. Research the types of investment accounts offered by Merrill Lynch. Open a brokerage account or consider a managed account, depending on your preferences. Explore the various investment products available, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Take advantage of Merrill Lynch's educational resources. Attend webinars or read articles to enhance your knowledge. Utilize the investment portfolio analysis tools provided. Assess your current financial situation, including income, expenses, and savings. Create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Regularly review your investment strategy with a financial advisor. Adjust your portfolio as market conditions change or as your personal circumstances evolve. Set a schedule for routine check-ins to monitor your progress. Stay informed about market trends and changes in the economy. Use this information to refine your investment strategy over time. Maintain a disciplined approach to investing to avoid emotional decision-making. Document your financial plan to keep your goals and strategies clear. Lastly, be patient and allow your investments to grow over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.